Hi, today we're going to do a simple way to colour a cartoon or a watercolour, and just looking at a technique that's very easy to use. So I'm going to do a sea cow, which is quite a cute looking character. So here we go. Let's do his big sort of snout there. If you want to do a cute character, make them look up the way. And they've got kind of whiskers coming out, haven't they? Yeah. And sea cows are quite sort of tubby creatures with, let's have a fin coming out. And they've got these lovely sort of flippers that look slightly like feet. Let's give them an eyebrow. And there we go, a little bit of a cheek there. And there we go, there's our sea cow. Now, about colouring. Let me tell you a nice technique. So we're going to pick a sort of bluey green colour with our watercolour. Let's get a sort of turquoisey colour. Now we're just going to go round the edge. We're not going to do the whole thing. Rather than colour the whole thing, we're just going to go round the edge here. Okay? Go round the edge, one side only, and one edge of the fin. Take your time. Round the edge here. With fairly strong colour, thick paint. And next, watch what we're going to do. I'm going to do a bit round there as well, okay? I'm going to wash the brush, and I'm just going to use water only now. Not too much, just a little bit of water, and I'm going to brush the colour across, which makes a nice blurry technique. Just using the colour that you've already put on the paper, and brush it across. And I'm going to leave a little bit of white on the edge. Okay. Same again, water. Dab the paper towel so that you don't have too much water. Use that colour, brush it across. Brush it across. And that's a very useful technique for colouring in watercolour that makes it very nice. I'm going to leave a bit of white near the tummy. And you get a sort of shaded look. Let's have a little bit of darker colour on that flipper. And I don't know, maybe there'll be some mottled markings there. So while it's still wet, I'm just going to put some mottled markings there. And there we go. That's our cute sea cow.